Okay, so I want to show you, give you a brief video on how to do the button quote unquote recipe for the GPIO 0 activities. So I've recorded a video of me doing the hookups from the Pi 0 to a breadboard, and we'll get started here. So first thing that I'll introduce here is the breadboard. We've got a brief video about how that functions and how that works that you'll see in the playlist. The next thing are some jumper cables. This one has a male end and a female end, as well as this one. The black I tend to use for negative or grounding, and the orange one I'm using for the positive lead. And then finally our little teeny tiny button here. So what I'm going to do is take the button and I'm going to carefully plug it into the breadboard. Get myself straight here and mess with the pins just a little bit to get them to align properly. Excuse the band-aid on my hand. Don't mean that to look bad. Wrestled with a board the other night and I beat it, but it was quite an interesting fight. So I'm plugging that in here to the pins on the breadboard and making sure that it's well seated so that all of the contacts engage with the metal below those little pinholes on the breadboard. So I've got that. The next thing I'm going to do is take one of my little leads here that I showed you earlier, and because of the way the pins work, I'm going to start with the female lead. There we go. And I'm going to plug that into the ground, which is the pin number 6, or the third one down on the right hand side. And then I'm going to plug the other one into the 5 volt or the positive current that goes down the odd numbered pins. And then I'm going to take those and I'm going to plug one into one end or one side of the button. Well, I'm going to plug that into the negative lead on the breadboard, excuse me, and I'm going to plug the other one into the positive side of the button. And then I'm going to take another wire with 2 male leads on it, and I'm going to plug one into the negative side after I move that one down, and plug the other one into the other side of the button, so that now I have a complete circuit when I press the button. So that's how you wire up that activity. Hope it goes well, and happy computing.